Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're looking for that 2 in the afternoon pick-me-up, I've got something for you. This is Monster Energy drink, and this flavor is Ultra Peachy Keen. You can see the can there, how pretty that is. So what I love about this is honestly its flavor. It is so good. It tastes like peach candy rings that you used to get when you were a kid. It is so delicious. I just don't think you can get a better flavor than this one, than the peach one. I also love that it only has 10 calories per can. So that's thumbs up. I can drink this and still stick with my diet, and it feels like a little treat. And like I talk about, the 2 o'clock in the afternoon pick-me-up that we all desperately need when we're chasing kids around, this is perfect for that. It really gives you the boost you need to get through to the afternoon, but it's not too much that you're up all night or just jittery. So I absolutely love this, especially this flavor. This one is my favorite, and I love how pretty it is. And I really think that you'll like it too, and that's just my point of view.